In a world where love is fading and marriages are breaking, the Sunnah still shines like a light in the darkness. Prophet Muhammad taught us not just how to worship, but how to love. Today on Mystic 10, we bring you 10 Sunnah ways to treat your wife with love and respect. Because in Islam, marriage is mercy, not misery. 1. Speak kindly, even when you're upset. The Prophet never shouted at his wives. His words were gentle, thoughtful, and full of warmth. Even during disagreements, he chose softness over harshness and speak to people good words. Quran 2:83. Your tone can either heal or hurt. Choose healing. 2. Share meals together. The Prophet, peace be upon him, used to eat with Aisha. May Allah be pleased with her. From the same plate, drinking from where she drank. He didn't sit at a separate table. He sat close, shared, smiled, and created moments that lasted a lifetime. The best of you are those who are best to their wives. Prophet Muhammad 3. Call her with beautiful names. The Prophet would call Aisha with nicknames like Ya Humaira, O rosy-cheeked one. Small words, big love, compliment her, call her with love, make her heart feel seen. 4. Help her at home. Yes, the Prophet, peace be upon him, would mend his own clothes, clean, and serve his family. It doesn't make you weak, it makes you prophetic. True strength is in humility. 5. Give her gifts. The Prophet encouraged gift-giving as a way to strengthen love. Even a flower, a small surprise, shows that you were thinking of her, that you care. Give gifts, and you will love one another. Hadith 6. Be patient with her mistakes. Every human errs, and so will your wife. The Prophet never insulted or belittled his wives for small faults. He corrected with wisdom and forgave with love. Treat women kindly. Prophet Muhammad 7. Praise her in public. Defend her in private. The Prophet praised Aisha openly. He would speak of her intelligence, loyalty, and love even to others. Never humiliate her in front of people. Build her up. Let her feel like she's your queen, not your burden. 8. Listen when she speaks. One day, Aisha told a long story to the Prophet, and he listened silently, then responded with wisdom. Give her your presence, not just your ears, but your heart. Listening is love. 9. Consult her and value her opinion. At Hudaybiyah, the Prophet accepted Salama's advice and followed it without hesitation. Your wife isn't just part of your home. She's part of your mind and mission. Let her voice matter. 10. Be romantic, even in small ways. The Prophet, peace be upon him, used to race with Aisha. He even bathed with her. Romance wasn't something he feared, he embraced it. Romance is Sunnah, a smile, a kind word, a warm hug. These are acts of worship when done with sincerity. A marriage rooted in the Sunnah is a marriage built on mercy. Be the kind of husband the Prophet, peace be upon him, would be proud of. Because the way you treat your wife is the way you prove your faith. And he placed between you love and mercy. Quran 30:21. If this touched your heart, then treat her like your Jannah, and she'll treat you like her king. Subscribe to Mystic 10 for more Islamic reminders that revive the heart and home. Let's bring the Sunnah back to our lives, one act of love at a time.